Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video and explain why your students may not be getting a submit button when they go to turn in an assignment. So the most common mistake teachers are making is they are going to pages, they're adding a page, they're giving it a name, putting their content, and then they're trying to use the little external plug right here to put in an assignment. And so they're going to their Google and they're picking something up here that they're wanting students to do. We'll just grab this and load. Okay, and you can either embed it or link it. If you embed it, they're going to see the actual image there. If you just link it, it's going to give them a hyperlink and open them to another page. Either one of these options is not going to provide the submit button that you're looking for. So we're just going to embed it so that you can see what it looks like. So the kids have authorized, they can see this assignment. Maybe you've given them directions here on what they need to do. Okay. So you've saved and published it. Kids can see the assignment, but then there's no submit button when they try to turn it in. So if you're wanting your students to be able to complete an assignment and submit it, you can either go to assignments over here in your blue ribbon, or you can go to modules, which is what we're suggesting, so that way you can keep things organized. Let's say this is going to go into my week 1 module. I want to add an assignment. We're going to call it farm and add. And then remember, then you have to go back and edit that by clicking on the name. Okay, and we want to give it some content, right? So we'll click edit. Maybe I'm going to give them the directions on what to do here. Okay, and then I'm going to come down and I'm going to use that submission type. We're using Google, which is an external tool. Okay, remember the Google Assignments LTI is the new Google they're recommending you use. You can use that, or you can still use your Google Drive Cloud assignment, whatever you are most comfortable with. So that's the account that I want to use. Sorry guys, should have already been authenticated. Okay, here we go. So now I want to pick out my attachment. Farm assignment. Okay, give it a little due date here. Just pick this day. Done. Creating. Okay, and so it's got my link here now for them. I'll come down. I do want it to go to all my students. Remember, you can change that and send it to specific people. Again, you have to pick that due date out. And then we want to save and publish this assignment. Now, when students go to create or to work on this, they're going to have that blue submit button. So let's see if I go home and I want to view this from a student view. I go to this farm activity. Okay, now it's not going to let us see everything because remember, I am the instructor and I'm already logged in, so it's not going to give me, I don't think, that option like it will the students. But it will show up the blue submit button even when they open it up into Google. They will have the blue submit button over here.